Hello, my dear friends and my dear ethical hacking family. Today we're gonna see how to download our Windows server on our VirtualBox computer. So, without getting any further delays, let's get started. First of all, what you should do is go to your Chrome browser and type download server downloads and press enter, and you will see many of the links here, but we are not gonna download here because we are not sure about the links that may be malicious. So what we're gonna do is go to the official website of Microsoft and open this. Once we open, there are many of the servers, but those are not in our languages. So what you're gonna see is, on the first you can see English, United States English. Then next what you should do, press this ISO download 64-bit edition. Don't press any others, press only this. Once you press this will start downloading. You can see it's about 4.7 gigs of space. Since I have downloaded this already, I'm not gonna download this again, so I'm gonna cancel it. Next what you're gonna do is open the same Chrome browser and type for VirtualBox download and press enter. Once you press enter, you will come to this interface, and you can see that the first link on this Oracle VirtualBox, and you're gonna press on that link. Once it's open, you can see there are many of the platform packages. If you are using Mac, it's okay. Linux, Solaris, many of this are there. And what you should do is see the latest version of this. This is the latest version, so you don't need to worry. When you go inside, it will show the latest version. And press this Windows host, because I'm using the Windows, so I'm going to download in Windows. And you press here, it's also going to start down about 160 megabytes. I'm not going to download it because now I have already downloaded it. Next what you should do is go to the same place, and you can see here there's a pack called extension pack. This is the most important thing when you are downloading anything on the VirtualBox. Anything, if you are downloading your OS or Kali Linux or something, anything, when you download, this is more important than everything. So what you should do is press this accept and download. Once you press, it will start downloading. Because I have downloaded this too, so I'm going to stop it. And once you download everything, what you're going to do? First of all, you're going to download your VirtualBox by pressing. You go to the download folder, and once you're here, you can see this, and press open. Then you can press yes, and wait a minute, it will start download. Since I have downloaded it, it's not showing. Once you download, you can just go on your normal downloading style. So I'm going to cancel this. After you download, after you are downloaded, your interface will be like this. Your interface will be like this. So since I'm using many of the OSs, so I have downloaded it earlier. Then next what you should do is, you should go to the top right of this corner, top left of the corner, and you can see a 3-line dot. You need to press that, and you can see many of the files, but we need this extension called extension. Press on it, and you will come to an interface like this. Since I have already put my extension pack, I'm going to show you how to install the extension pack. You can see on this top right corner, there is two options called install and uninstall. For that we need to press install, and the extension pack that we downloaded, we need to press this and press open. Once you open, it will come like this. It will load sometimes and it will come like this. And next what you're going to do is press the same 3 dot button and go to welcome. And now you can see there is an option, many options here, but the option we needed is this new. We're going to press on this new, and you will get an dialog box like this. So I'm going to type on this called Windows server, maybe server, yeah, Windows server. And the type you should select is this Microsoft Windows. The version, since we don't have 2022 version on this, what we're going to do is select this 2019 64-bit version and press next. I have about 14 gigs of base memory, so I'm gonna give about 4 GB of base memory. 4 GB is enough maybe. And processors, I'm gonna give 3 processors. This differs on your computers. So if you're having more processors, it will be more fast than base memories. If you're having base memories about 8 GB, you can give about 2-3 GB. That's more than enough for this server. So next, let's get started. Press next, and you can see here create a virtual disk. This is the space that you are allocating to a server. So about 60 GB is more enough, I think so. 60 GB is enough for this server, and press next. And that's all. See, you have finished this successfully. And press finish. Once you're finished, you will come to an Windows like this. On that settings, what you should do is press settings and see these ones, everything are correct, or if anything is wrong, you can see everything. Then go to systems and see everything one by one, because you will need to confirm everything before you start. And press this 3D acceleration and extend this to a con. Then main thing is you should go to the storage, and you can see 2 things like this. Press on this empty, and here choose a disk file. You can see this, choose a disk file and press on it. When you press on that, you can see that the server ISO we downloaded will come on your top. Then what you're gonna do is press this and open. Once you press that, this will be open like this. You can see, right? Yeah, this was empty, and now this is the server name. Then audio's network. If you're having an wireless adapter, that is more good, because network adapters are easy to connect. Okay, then now press OK and press on the start button. There we go. We're gonna start our server. Windows server is starting. Let's wait a minute. Once you press start, it will start like this, the virtual box on 0, and it will show a loading files, and the Windows will load up slowly. On this one, we should make many configurations, so watch carefully. Let's wait until the Windows load. Okay, there you go. Once you come to this interface, what you should do is, this is fine if you are anywhere of the world, because you're going to use this on English. If you want to change the current time, that's fine. You can change it and press next. Keep it on default. I'm going to press next and press install. Install, it's coming, called startup. Setup is starting. Let's wait a little, because it's the first time. It will take some time. After you downloaded it, it will be simple as it is starting normally. And once it's started, you will see some options on this. On these options, what you're gonna do is there are standard evolution, just standard evolution. That means you don't have any graphical user interface. You have only CLI, command line interface. So that will be difficult to use. So what we're gonna do is select this Windows Server standard elevation. If I will teach you how to activate, there will be an activate window. So I will teach you how to activate this too. Then next what you're going to do is select this desktop experience, second one, standard elevation, and press next. And it will redirect to another page maybe. This is the conditions they are putting on the servers, and press accept and next. When we start to install this is just if we're keeping any files, if we already previously downloaded, if there are any problems on this, we can press the first one. But since we are going to download it newly, we're going to press this custom install server. Then this is the space that you allocated on your space of the drive. This is going to be the total space of your drive on the server. Then press next. Then there you go, it's getting started. I think this one might take a little bit of time. This installation is little bit slow, so it will take a little bit time. Let's stay until this download. Since the installation is taking bit time, I'm going to make it fast forward. So let's start it from after this installation finish. Okay, once the installation is finished, this will start restarting in another 10 seconds maybe. After this restarts, you will see the interface of the computer. You should leave that to restart. When this interface comes, you don't press anything, just leave it as it is. And it will automatically load the Windows screen. This might also take a little bit of time because it should configure the configurations inside. So this will restart many times. So let's wait until this restart. Second time also, after it restarts, please don't press anything. It might go wrong. So just leave it as it is to restart. It will automatically give an interface of putting your passwords. So when it comes to the password, let's start. Okay, there you go. I think this you need to give some password that contains upper cases, lower cases, and symbols, something like that. So what you should do is give some passwords on the basics of that. Okay, then I'm giving a password. Okay, then after you give a password, press enter. Then there you go, it's finalized in our computer. There it comes. Many of the people think that if you press this on your keyboard to unlock, Control Alt and delete, it will start. But the reality is it won't start, just it will off the screen. That's it, okay? What you should do is press cancel, but this won't open. What's the technique is, you should go to the top of the left corner and see this input. You can see this input and press on it, and press this keyboard and come down, and you can see this Control Alt Delete. Then press that. Then there you go. You are coming to the interface of the server. Okay. Then give your password what you gave previously, and just press enter. There you go. It's starting. The computer profile is starting. The settings are being applied and everything is happening. So you need some patience to see the interface. So let's wait until this start. There you go. The interface is being loaded. The server manager is coming. So that's it. That's all. Press yes, OK for this. and the server manager will start, and you can do any of the work you needed on this. I think this will be needed to the one who learning network and ethical hacking. They will learn the configuration, but some don't know how to download this in the VirtualBox. Then the next problem is, you can see that Windows standard evolution Windows license is for only 180 days. So for 180 days we can't do anything. So once this is over, what you can do again is download it again after 180 days. 180 days you can use about 3-4 months. So that's all for today. Thank you for coming watching my videos. Please give me a support by subscribing the channel, then it will be more useful. We can put more videos on this regarding ethical hacking.